Hi everyone, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl DT, and if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to use CapCut for free. So I've been using this for a very long time, and I know some people have been hiding this information from you over. You know what I am? I always leak the secret. Can you go check my channel? I'm always leaking the the secrets. Anyways, so what the first we're going to do? Look at my screen. Are you all looking at my screen? So download these two stuff on my screen. The first one is the record it. It's a screen recorder. So if you already have a screen recorder, I don't need it. Then the second one is a CapCut. Definitely. Why do you want to get a pro if you're not using a CapCut? So what am I going to do? Open your CapCut. Then tata. What's the next thing you're going to do? Click on new project. So I have a video on how to navigate CapCut. You can check my previous video on how to navigate CapCut. This will help you in understanding this video better. Click on add. That's why shouldn't I? Then I'm going to just cut this a little bit. So now look at the screen. Are you all looking at my screen? So I'm going to be using the arrow to point it out to you. You notice that there is no pro anywhere on the screen. Just look at the screen. There's nowhere you say pro. Now watch this. I'm going to split this. So let's try adding some effects. Now I'm going to use something of pro. Let's use this here. What did you notice? Pro came up to show me that, hey madam, you're no longer using the free version you were supposed to. But I said please. Then I'm going to click here. Look for anything pro you want to use. Anything pro you want to use. Don't pity them. Don't. Click on it. Allow it to load. Click. So what else do I want to do? Click on it. Click on effects. Click on body effect, because we need to add some beauty to this video to make it a little bit a little bit zar. You know what I mean? So I'm going to look for everything pro that my eyes can set on and use it, because this is my time to shine. Don't mind me, this is how I used to do. So I'm trying to this is after my life. So let's leave it this way. Let's keep it pro. Now you might be asking, okay, if I try to export, they are going to ask me, did I pay? Oops. But now we are not doing this. What are you going to do? Go back. Now I think because I've been using my CapCut this morning, I've used it this morning. So if you've not used it, there's something that will come up here that says the watermark comes out. You click on the watermark, click on pro, click on the watermark, click on pro. So all the settings you're working on will be pro. So that means we're having a free no watermark pro thing here. So what am I going to do? Go back. This is where the screen recorder comes in. So I'm currently using my screen record, so it's going to be difficult. So all I need is your ears. Open your record or your screen record. Click on start recording. Make sure you add the voice you on the mic. Then click on start recording. So what else? Go back to your CapCut. Now I'm going to use my arrow to point to where I'm saying, but you're going to click on this side stuff here. So you open a full screen. Oh my god, this guy is so smart. Am I not smart? Then I play my video and the record records it. You see? Very simple. You play your videos, your video, and your screen record records it for you. So you see. I'm going to just show you how my record it is. So if for me to do this, I have to stop recording, and I don't know how to record it. So it's going to be difficult. But I know some people like, if you're having issues, maybe the quality is not as high as you want it to be. Maybe you worked on it. Make sure your quality is as good as every other thing. But you notice that the quality of the video is not the HK you want it to be. So what are you going to do? I'm going to show you. Actually, guys, I'm giving you guys the expo. It's the expo I'm here for. So they just assumed that I record this, right? I go back to my knees. and I'll click on the video. Then I'll now go to sorry, give me a minute, my brain is adjust. You do the adjusting of this video to fit in whatever thing you want it to fit in. Then click on, you see the quality, make sure your quality, you always click on your quality to increase the frame, everything, even if it means the HD stuff coming up. You know how we reserve the Pro, reserve it again. But if you're okay with the quality now, click on export and you have your full HD 4K, name it, video quality. I know you'll be like, oh my goodness, who touched it is, oh my god, your eye opener. Thank you so much. You can leave that to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a very good help for you. So don't say, it didn't help me. Make sure you're following me right now. Subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. It was nice sharing this with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.